Hi there, my name is Stephen Fitzgerald with the Local 52 IT Committee, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for our new website. Let's start by logging into our email.
Here we've got our email, and as you can see, we have a lot of very interesting things, but primarily we're going to be interested in anything from Local 52. So we're going to make sure we're on our inbox and we're going to look for Local 52. Hey, Local 52, there we go. We've got a new website invitation, and we also have a create your new password email. Let's check out the new website invitation. All right, sweet. A little bit of information, the new website address. Here's the instructional video you're watching now. Okay, great. If I have any questions, I can always email local52web@gmail.com. Good to know. Let's go back. Because the real email that we want is this one, the create your new password. This is the ticket. Here we go. All right, so this email address is my username. There it is. Hi, good local52 member at gmail.com. And to create my new password, click the link below. Here we go. All right, sweet. It says reset password, but what it really means is create new password. So let's make something we can remember. I'm gonna type in superstar, lowercase, just to make it easy. Superstar. That way we won't forget. All right, reset password. Your password has been changed. Excellent. We're ready to log in. We know our email address, which is our username, and we know our password. I'm going to click OK. It's prompting me to log in here. That's cool. It may not. It depends on what's going on. Let's go ahead and use this since it's here. Good local 52 member gmail.com and superstar, all lowercase. Log in. Oh, confirm I'm human. That's good. Let's see. That's a bus. That's a bus. That's a bus. Probably good enough. All right. Look at that. Logged in. Wonderful. Top right-hand corner. I can see that I'm logged in, and I can log out if I want to. Okay, good. We're logged in. Maybe that works for you, and maybe it doesn't. Let's pretend that that doesn't work. Let's say that there's some kind of problem. Okay. We're going to practice having a problem right now. Okay, here we are back in our email. Let's say a common problem happens. Let's say that we get this invitation email, but we cannot find the create your new password email. We could try a few different things. We could search. Let's see. Search mail. Type in local 52. Okay, here's the website invitation that we have. There's a bunch of other stuff. Not really the thing I'm looking for. I'm looking for like create new password. We could try that. Create new password. Huh, still not showing up. Good try though. All right. You know what? Let's check spam. Let's pop into our spam. Wouldn't you know it? Some of these are just going to be labeled as spam because we're sending out thousands of them at once. And you know what? They will be here sometimes. So this is the first thing that could go wrong. Maybe the create your new password email has been labeled spam and we have to go check it out in spam. So don't forget, check your spam if you cannot find it. Next, let's click create new password. Here we go. We're picking up where we left off. All right, reset password. This looks familiar. We're going to just use the same thing. Superstar, reset password. Oh, check this out. Your link to create a new password has expired. This will be a very common problem because the create your new password emails are only good for a little while. For security reasons, they don't just last forever. It's a brief window. You have to be there basically to check your email when we send them. Who's going to do that? That's very uncommon. But you can get to this screen and you can resend yourself a link. Let's do it. Resend link. Reset password. Enter your login email. Well, we know what our login email is. That's where we got our email, the email address we got that first invitation email. Our email address is goodlocal52member at gmail.com. All right, enter your login email and we'll send you a link to reset your password. There is my email, reset password. All right, sweet. Reset password link was sent. Use the link we emailed you to create your new password. Okay, cool. Let's go check it out. We'll go back to our email. We'll go to our inbox. Holy moly, it actually worked. There it is. Create your new password from Local52. It could have gone to spam, but in fact, it did come into our inbox. Let's check this one out. Let's do this one. Create new password. All right, here we go again. Looks the same, but don't forget, if this works, it will tell us if this works. Let's use the same password. Superstar, superstar. Okay, reset password. Okay, now notice it's confirming this did indeed work. Your password has been changed. We know it worked. There's no need to guess. We know the email and password is good. Okay. Now, if we hit OK, let's see if it prompts us to pop in our username and our password. Okay. It doesn't. It does something totally unexpected. It's asking us to reset password. This is a known glitch, and this is why I'm showing you guys, because we have already done this. It confirmed for us that the password was changed. This is just an endless hole of resetting our passwords. We do not want to do this. I'm going to hit the X, or even better, guys, let's just go to the actual website, ialocal52.org. This is the new website. Let's go check it. Now it prompts us. Now it is doing what it should. It's prompting us. Maybe it sends us to the home page and we have to click the login button in the top right. You know, there's a lot of things that could happen here. We're looking to log in, and you can always steer yourself correctly by typing in ialocal52.org. That is where we want to go. www.ialocal52.org. If you know you have a password, you want to log in, this is where we're going to go. Here it's prompting me to log in. It might be the home page, in which case we'd have to click login in the top right to bring this screen up. But nonetheless, we're in the right place. Let's see here. Good local 52 member at gmail.com and superstar, all one word. Nice. It worked. If you have any problems, email us local52web at gmail.com. We're here for you. I know that this is not a perfect, password set sign up, but it's pretty good. It's very secure. Email us if you have any problems. Local52web at gmail.com. This is Stephen Fitzgerald with the IT committee. I hope you guys enjoy your new website. We've worked very hard, and enjoy it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.